Arduino Lint, what it is, how to install it, and why would you want to use it. Arduino Lint is a command line tool that's not part of the Arduino IDE. You can install it on your computer to check for common problems with your Arduino projects. Its focus is on the structure, so don't confuse it with code structure because it's different. It also checks the metadata, for example if you are missing the license file. And it also checks the configuration of Arduino projects, like if it finds prohibited characters in file names. Again, it does not check your actual code for potential bugs. Think of it as checking the metadata or the user experience around your project. To install it, follow the instructions on the Arduino Lint installation page. You can either install it using a script, which I'm going to use, or you can download a pre-built binary and use it as a command in the terminal. The script does a good job at checking your operating system, getting the right version for you, and installing it in the current folder, and I believe it also handles updates. The full list of commands can be found on the Arduino Lint command reference page, or by typing Arduino Lint help. The simplest form of the command is to pass it the full path of the Arduino project. For example, in my project, it's telling me that I have two warnings: a missing README file and a missing license file. So I have two warnings and no errors, so I'm getting a pass since I don't have any errors. It's that simple, and if you want to take this further, you can use their GitHub CI integrations to automate this test on every commit, which can save you a lot of trouble. I highly encourage you to give it a try, or at least visit their GitHub project page and read through it. So that's it for me. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Peace.